Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today my topic is about personality, its nature and we can say or characteristics or features of personality. First of all, what is personality? As all of we know that personality is whatever in those activities that can be discovered by actual observation over a long enough period of time. But if we'll go deep into the personality, what the term personality, from where it has come, from where it has derived. So the term personality is derived from the Latin word persona, which was the name given to the masks that actors wore and the characters they portrayed. And the meaning of her personality has changed little since classical times, and comments like, what does he see in her? She has a poor personality, or look at the young man, what a fine personality he has. So now if I'll explain this to you, this means that personality, what it means persona, जो जो भी पुराने ज़माने ग्रीक में जो एक्टर्स जो ड्रामा प्रेजेंट करते थे, वो जो ये मास्क वगैरह लगाते थे एक्टर्स और फिर उस कैरेक्टर में घुस जाते थे जो उनको प्ले करना होता था, पोर्ट्रे करना होता था. तो वो उस that means they were known by that personality. That is why personality has come from the Latin word persona. Actually, these are the masks that actors wore and the characters they portrayed. Then only the personality word came into existence. So if we'll see the अगर हम किसी के looks पे जाएंगे, हम बोलेंगे wow, what a personality he or she has. It's quite common. Remarks like this we usually make remarks like this. So remarks like this make us believe that personality is a thing or quality that is possessed by all of us, and we can paste labels such as fine, good, poor. ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं ये personality के अंडर आती हैं on the basis of similar characteristics of individual. अगर देखा जाए, however, दिस इज़ अ वेरी लिमिटेड व्यू है. अगर साइकोलॉजिकल कॉन्सेप्ट से देखा जाए, साइकोलॉजिकल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ पर्सनैलिटीज गोज फर्दर एंड डीपर दैन दिस अपीयरेंस एंड ऑल दिस और आउटवर्ड बिहेवियर. दिस क्वेश्चन इज़ हाउ बेस्ट इज़ टू इंटरप्ट और टू डिफाइन पर्सनैलिटी. अगर साइकोलॉजिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखें, अगर हम कैजुअली देखें तो हम बोलेंगे उसके बिहेवियर से, उसके कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स से कि उसकी पर्सनैलिटी कैसी है. लेकिन साइकोलॉजी जो है दैट इज़ फार मोर डीपर दैन दीज अपीयरेंसेस एंड आउटवर्ड पर्सनैलिटीज़. इफ़ वी कोट एंड डेफिनेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू वैटसन, in 1930 he was the father of behaviorism, and on the basis of his behavioral studies उसने बोला personality is some of the activities that one can be discovered by actual observation over a long enough period of time to give reliable information. In this way, he tried to make a word personality synonymous with the consistent behavior pattern of the individual and a very narrow meaning of the term personality. Personality is what, and now according to Albert in 1948, he tried to define the personality like this to engage in trying to discover some useful definition. He said, personality is a dynamic organization within the individual of those psychological systems that determine his unique adjustment to his environment. Although according to these psychologists, they have defined the personality according to their own point of view. According to Kettle, in 1970, he defined personality as what permits a prediction of what a person will do in a given situation. Whatever the person will do in a given situation, whatever he try to do to I can say adjust in the environment, it is that reflects his personality. That अगर हम किसी का बिहेवियर देखेंगे तो हम उसकी पर्सनालिटी का अंदाज़ा कर सकते हैं, दैट व्हाट टाइप ऑफ पर्सन, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ नेचर ही इज़, एंड दैट ऑल कम्स अंडर पर्सनालिटी. अब आप ये क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, आप जो ये पर्सनालिटी है ये हम नर्सिंग में पढ़ते क्यों हैं? बिकॉज ऑल वट एवर इज़ देयर, दैट इज़ पर्सनैलिटी इज़ पाइवट अराउंड विच द थिंग्स रिवॉल्व. पर्सनैलिटी एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिसकी वजह से हर कोई प्रोफेशन, आई कैन से प्रोफेशन जो है दैट वर्क्स. everyone should get or should possess a good personality, we can say presentable personality, so that everyone gets attracted to whatever profession you have. Now coming to the Eisnick 1971, he described it a personality like personality is the more or less stable and enduring organization of a person's character, temperament, intellect and physique, which determine his unique adjustment to the environment. These are some of the definitions which I quoted here, and you have to note it down, because in examination you need to define the personality, and with that you need to define the concepts of personality given by some of the psychologists. So this was personality. These characteristics and tendencies, inherited as well as acquired, although stable to a large extent, are subject to change and modification according to the needs of time and environmental situation for making one's adjustment to oneself as well as to the environment. The causes of such modifications and changes are necessary with present physical, biological, and social situations, and may be connected with the earlier childhood experiences, genetic code, and many other unknown factors. Thus, what a person present in his totality is his personality. जो भी जो प्रेजेंट करता है एक इंडिविजुअल टोटलिटी में, इन जो भी वो प्रेजेंट करता है, जो भी बिहेवियर वो प्रेजेंट करता है, दैट इज़ हिज पर्सनैलिटी. अब जो ये इंडिविजुअल है, हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि इसकी पर्सनैलिटी, ये जो एडजस्टमेंट करता है सोसाइटी के साथ, सोसाइटी में जो भी नीड्स हैं, जो भी सिचुएशंस है, उसको कूप अप करने के साथ, जो भी ये जो इंडिविजुअल है, जो भी बिहेवियर अडॉप्ट करता है, उस बिहेवियर को जो ये जाहिर करता है, प्रेजेंट करता है, एंड जो ऑब्जर्वर्स होते हैं वो देखते हैं कि उसी से पता चलता है कि उसकी पर्सनैलिटी क्या हो सकती है. Although this seems to be a quite comprehensive definition, as the evaluation of an ideal definition capable of explaining the meaning and nature of the term personality in all its aspects call for future extensive research. In fact, concepts like personality, it's very difficult to explain. जो personality है बहुत difficult to explain, as they have the identity like sounds and all etc. The impact of which we can be felt by their real nature is always the description of some of their characteristics and distinguishing features. ये जो ये personality है, इसकी वजह से we can say, and the first, it provides personality with a psychological basis and gives a balanced consideration to the role of heredity, environment. पहली बात ये है कि जो ये personality होता है, it is stable set of the characteristics of tendencies. अगर जो भी personality में हमने जो भी हमारा बिहेवियर होता है, जो भी हमने वी कैन से एक्सपीरियंस किया होता है अपनी लाइफ में, एंड हम बिहेव करते हैं लाइक दैट, उसी की वजह से हमारी पर्सनालिटी जो है वो उस को हम जो भी हमारा बिहेवियर होता है वो ऑब्ज़र्व होता है, और उसके बेसिस पे हमारी पर्सनालिटी को जज किया जाता है. पर्सनालिटी इज़ लाइक वट एवर वी डू, वट एवर हाउ वी स्टैंड, हाउ वी वॉक, हाउ वी ड्रेस, हाउ वी टॉक, दिस ऑल इज़ इंक्लूडेड इन द पर्सनालिटी. That means we should have a good and presentable personality, so that it will totally affect our personal and professional life in a positive manner. I hope you understand it. It was all for today. Thank you so much.